Hey everybody, John with Modlite here, bringing you guys a quick troubleshooting video on Modbutton Lite. If you're experiencing flickering or inconsistent activation of your Modbutton Lite, there's a couple steps that can help. Okay, so first and foremost, we're going to want to make sure that our Surefire tailcap is fully seated and that you've maintained the threads of the tailcap and the light body with a dab of dielectric grease. I'll be using this Permatex dielectric grease. It can be any dielectric grease, it just has to explicitly say that it's dielectric. So to maintain my threads, I'm just going to put a touch of dielectric grease on these threads. And then I'll take my tailcap and I'll screw it on and off just a couple times. The dielectric grease will help with preventing galling on your threads and also help with preventing micro debris from getting in the way. Okay, so the next thing we're going to use is WD-40. We're going to take a light dab of this on a paper towel. We're going to take our mod button and tailcap and unplug them. And then we're going to use the wet piece of the paper towel to rub slightly around the barrel of the connector. Once you've got it with a light coat, you're going to want to plug it back into your tailcap a couple times and then rotate it just a few times to make sure it's coated. Next, what we can do is take a tiny drop of dielectric grease and throw it on our connector, the barrel of the connector. And then take a very small drop and throw it on the tip of the connector right in here. Just a tiny drop. And then you're going to repeat the steps from before and plug it in a few times and rotate it. Alright guys, so the steps we just went over are rarely necessary for the average user, but should be considered best practice for the users that shoot their firearms a lot more than average. Alright, let us know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching.